You've seen it in almost every product you buy. That tiny white packet tucked inside your medicine bottles, new shoes, electronics, or even beef jerky. It screams, "Do not eat," with a skull icon that makes it look deadly. But here's the million-dollar question. What would actually happen if you ate silica gel? Would you die? Need your stomach pumped? Or is it all just hype? Let's uncover the truth behind these mysterious little packets. First things first, silica gel isn't actually a gel. It's made of silicon dioxide, the same compound found in sand, formed into tiny porous beads. These beads are essentially moisture magnets. They absorb water and humidity from the air, which is why companies put them in packaging to keep products dry and fresh. Without them, your electronics could corrode, your vitamins could degrade, and your leather goods could grow mold. But here's the shocking part. Silica gel itself isn't poisonous. Yes, you heard that right. Silica gel is classified as non-toxic. If you accidentally swallow a few beads, your body won't absorb them. They are chemically inert. This means they pass through your digestive system and come out the other end unchanged, typically within 24 to 48 hours. However, there are some mild side effects to watch for. Since silica gel absorbs moisture, eating it can cause dry mouth and throat irritation. If you consume a larger amount, you might experience stomach discomfort, nausea, or mild diarrhea. The bigger concern is choking, especially if you swallow the entire packet. The plastic packaging or larger beads could get lodged in your throat or airways, which is a serious medical emergency. So, if it's non-toxic, why the scary warning? There are a few reasons. First, some silica gel packets contain color-changing indicators made from cobalt chloride. Now, cobalt chloride is toxic and can cause serious health issues if ingested. Second, the warning is there to protect children and pets who might mistake the beads for candy. And third, while silica gel itself isn't poisonous, it's definitely not food. The warning is a smart precaution, not necessarily a death sentence. So, the bottom line, eating silica gel won't kill you, but it's definitely not something you should do on purpose. If you or a child accidentally swallow a small amount, don't panic. Drink some water and monitor for symptoms. But if someone swallows a large quantity or the entire packet, get medical help immediately. The best practice? Keep these packets away from kids and pets and toss them as soon as you open a new product. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new today, hit that like button and share this video with someone who's been curious about those little mystery packets.